today, guys. Welcome back to a very special episode of Fix It Garage. Today, again, no wrenching on cars. We're doing a modified version of a Tech Tuesday video, so let's get started right away. Alright guys, so today we've got Super Clean back in the shop. Before I talk about what's going on with Super Clean, I just want to clarify something. In the last video, you guys saw me use their floor absorbent to clean up messes I made on the shop floor, and there were some little stains left. Well, after I was done filming, because all my batteries died, I used the regular Super Clean degreaser, diluted it to the correct level, sprayed it onto my floor, let it soak in a tiny bit, and then started cleaning it. And it came out perfectly clean. There are no more stains on my floor. I would show you guys where the stains were, but right now I've got that thing kind of parked in the way for the night. But it did get all the staining out of the garage floor, and it worked perfectly. I'm still very impressed with these products, and I have continued to use them in my shop both on and off camera. Today, the people at Super Clean have sponsored another video today, and this time instead of giving me product, they're gonna be giving one of you guys product. That's right, you guys are gonna have the opportunity to win a 5-pack of Super Clean product delivered to your door. Before I tell you how to enter, we're gonna once again show you guys all the products, and then I'll tell you guys how you can win them. All right guys, before I tell you how you guys can win all of these great products, first we're gonna talk about their products and what you guys will be getting. So their first product we're gonna talk about is the Super Clean floor absorbent. A couple weeks ago for our demo, we poured fluids on my shop floor and we used this to soak it up. Worked perfectly. Again, recommend after you're done with that, spraying it with their regular degreaser so you can lift the stains out of the floor so you don't have stains on your garage floor. Next, we have the Super Clean wheel cleaner. We used that on my snow tires for the CRV, and they came out looking extremely clean with very minimal scrubbing effort. All right, guys, next we have Super Clean in a can. This is their degreaser in a can. If you guys remember, we used this on my grill grease pan. We used it, we got all the grease off of that tray and had it looking almost brand new. This stuff works really well. After that, we have the Super Clean foaming degreaser. We used this on my old EJ25 engine block, and if you remember, it pulled out the staining of the oil on the aluminum inside the block. And it got all the rest of the dirt and grime and grease off of the block. It actually looks really clean. I could have turned it into a table, but unfortunately, I don't have the time to make it into a table, but maybe I will someday. And lastly, we have the regular Super Clean degreaser. Now for the demo, we cleaned the tires with this. I also then used it to clean my shop floor up. I've also used this to clean up other messes that I've been making around my shop. So now I've showed you the product, I'm gonna tell you guys how you can win this product. So you guys are probably wondering how you can win some Super Clean product. First of all, you need to be a resident of the United States. They've told me that for this contest, they're only gonna be giving it out or sending it to somebody in the United States. So that's the first part. Second, you need to comment on this video. Super clean, super easy, super fast. And then down below it, your name. Yes, it's really that simple. Super clean, super easy, super fast, and your name. I will put that in a text form above my head right now. So I'm gonna leave that up there for pretty much the rest of the video. So just remember, it's that simple to win. Super clean, super easy, super fast, and your name. To pick a winner, I'm going to type every single entry into my computer. From there, I'm going to print off a sheet and cut them into individual strips with your name on it. In order to make it fair, what I'm going to do is lay out all of the names on the table that the camera is sitting on right now. While someone's filming, they will all be there, and I'm going to show all of the names by panning the camera over it. They will then all be put into the hat, and I or my assistant will draw a name out of the hat, and that will be the winner. Then I will contact you on YouTube on the comment that you put on this video. So make sure if you want to know if you won, watch the video coming out in a week, and be sure to check the comments section of this video. I will remind you again in a week. The contest ends Saturday night at midnight. I will be doing the drawing on Sunday and announcing the winner on Tuesday on the next Tech Tuesday video. So make sure you stay tuned and watch that. It will be at the end of the video. So now you guys know how to enter. You know how I'm gonna draw, and you know how easy it's going to be. Remember, super clean, super easy, super fast, and your name. It's just that simple. I want to send out a huge thank you to Jessica and everyone at Super Clean for sponsoring another video and doing this giveaway. You guys will be very impressed with the power of Super Clean. Remember guys, super clean, super fast, super easy. All right guys, that's gonna do it for today on our Tech Tuesday of Fix It Garage. This was more of a giveaway than a Tech Tuesday. I promise that next week we'll be back to normal Tech Tuesdays. This Friday, it's going to be the garage update final thing. You guys are gonna see the finished product, and then we're gonna start getting right back to work on cars. I actually have some work I need to do to this one and this one. Both cars have work that need to get done, and we're gonna get right into it. I've got some other projects that I'm lining up in the background, and I've got a super secret project you guys might see some hints to in the corner of some videos coming up. But if you see it, you can let me know, but I'm not gonna tell you what it is about or anything. I wanna keep this one a big surprise. So stay tuned. Remember, if you guys want sneak peeks sometimes, check out my Instagram or my Facebook page. They're both gonna be linked down below. Also, be sure to check out Super Clean. I'm gonna leave a link to their YouTube channel and their Facebook down below. Make sure you go subscribe to them. If you guys like what you saw and you wanna keep seeing more content, remember to smash that like button, subscribe down below, and remember to comment Super Clean, super easy, super fast down below for your chance to win a pack of Super Clean. Thank you guys all for watching, and remember that on cars like this, you should never stop wrenching.